Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's DIYs are 12 days of Christmas DIY series and I'm going to work on lanterns. So let's start with this beautiful lantern that I got from Michael's after Christmas sale. It was $25 you guys, so I got it for maybe $5. So that was a deal. So I'm just going to decorate this beautiful lantern. It came with this styrofoam piece that was already inside it. So I'm going to cover this with this, the thing that we put under the Christmas tree. I don't know the name of it. So I'm just, attaching some of this fairy lights, some batteries to it. And I'm going to attach this fairy lights to the base of this styrofoam. And I'm just carefully sticking with this hot glue, and I'm going to complete the whole square just like that, and I'm going to cover this beautiful snow effect there. So I'm just going to cover this felt on top of it, and I'm going to insert this into the lantern. That will give the base of this surface. So I just got some of the snowflakes and I'm just sticking those onto the walls of the glasses, all three sides, just like so. And I also got this beautiful fence, miniature ones. I'm just taking two of those and I'm going to put all the way to the back, and this is how it looks as of. And I just got two of this cute miniatures. These are like fence, just want to attach to the entrance just like so. Before that, I just wanted to take some of these Christmas trees and some of these figurines, and I just arranged all of them inside. And I'm also taking one of this LED candle O2, and I'm just taking generous amount of hot glue. I'm going to stick that to the top of this lantern, and I think I'm done the inside part. Now let's decorate to the top. It's already having a cute golden bow. I just wanted to attach with some Christmas greenery, and one of this tag which says bright and merry, and I attached that to the Christmas greenery, and I'm attaching all these to the top of this golden ribbon. I think this is done at this point, and I'm extremely beyond happy, I would say. And this is my favorite project today. And this was inspired from Pinterest. I saw a beautiful project inside this lantern. I thought like I can create a small Christmas environment into this lantern with some lightings in it, and all these decorations are of something that I thought that it will look nice, and I'm very much happy how this turned out, and I hope you would like it too. And I'm also going to show it after turning the lights off. With lights on it's pretty, but without the lights it's even more pretty. I just wanted you to see both of them. This video will be part of 12 days of Christmas series, and this is hosted by Brenda over Rustic Lace and DIY, and Amanda over Molly Cole Creations. I'm going to link crafting channels of these two ladies in my description box, as well as link to the playlist. And today's DIY is day 11, porch and outside decor. Please watch all of our videos and give lots of love. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to use the broken toy of my daughter, and this is one of the Christmas decor she had from her toy section, and this is a beautiful lamppost. I thought I can use this for this DIYs. So I just got some of this spools of this laces and ribbons. I picked two of the spools, one big and one small, and using black chalk paint I painted these two, and I also one of this cork on the top to actually layer it down to 3 levels. And I'm just taking one of this pipe cleaner in red color, and I just twisted to create a bow, and now I'm attaching all these 3 with the generous amount of hot glue to create the base for this lamppost. And I also attached one of this cute satin ribbon that it already had, so I stuck on top of this pipe cleaner. And this is one of this greenery. I just created a tiny wreath and I attached to already present wreath because that was not really visible, so I attached this cute wreath on top of it. And I'm attaching some of this red berries and all around the wreath, and one golden berry on top of this cute lace. And I think I was happy with the decoration as of that, with the berries and golden berries. Oh, I forgot, I attached 2 of this Christmas greenery on either side to finish the look. And I also made a hole into this cork with this scissor, and I inserted one of this big skewers inside this lamppost. And since I made the hole, I'm just attaching the excess of it into this cork with the generous amount of hot glue. And I also dry brushed the white chalk paint all over it to give like a little weathered look to it. And this turned out so gorgeous, you guys. I wanted to do this lamppost from a long time, and I got the opportunity to do this. And I also painted a little bit of a sparkly paint onto this glass effect, and I could have actually inserted some of this fairy lights inside to give like a realistic lamp look. Well, I'll do it next time. For now, I think I'm very happy how this turned out. I hope you would like it. Please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 3. This is also a lantern decor. So I just got one of this cute lantern from Dollar Tree. It's white with a lot of snowflakes, and this light actually glows really bright. I just got some of these pipe cleaners. They are in red. I just took some of them, 4 or 5 of them were enough to actually decorate all around. I just took generous amount of hot glue and I stuck to the 4 sides of this lantern, and this is how it looks after it's all stuck with hot glue. And I also took some of this sparkly paint, and I'm just actually giving the snowflakes a little bit of a shine there. And I'm just taking a couple of this ribbons to create a bow, and took some Christmas greenery on either side with a pine cone in the center to finish the look. Isn't that pretty? I just wanted to add one more cute lantern, and this is another one to add all the collection today. And this all are porch and outdoor decor. I could have taken this outside the porch, but for some reason that just slipped out of my mind. But yeah, this is a look that you can decorate in your porch or outdoor to celebrate. These are some of the social media handles if you'd like to connect with me there. And I'm so happy how all these DIYs turned out today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. If you like some of these ideas and you would like to join with the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join. And definitely don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get updated when I upload videos like this. And I wanted to take a moment to thank all of you to watch all my videos and give the support that you're always giving. Thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate, and it means the world to me, you guys. So until next time, if you'd like to watch some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.